Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. Today we're at the St. Louis Car Museum and they've got a car show. It's just kicking off and it's crowded already. It's going to be a hot day, but a lot of nice vehicles. Well, I'm sure there's a heck of a story behind that one. Maybe I'll find the owner around their vehicle later on. That is something I wouldn't expect at a car show. So we're still at the St. Louis Car Museum, and I'm walking around shooting the crowd and then also vehicles. And then as I come across a vehicle that is interesting and the person is willing to allow me to shoot it, I stop the video and shoot the vehicle. I'm going to have to see if I can talk the owner of this one into allowing me to shoot this Mercury. Boy, it looks so much like a Lincoln. So I'm going to see if they'll allow me to shoot it. Hello. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Boy, it is beautiful. And the automatic, I don't know that I've ever seen an automatic.
That's all it came in the first 3 years.
Oh, really?
55, they almost didn't sell any because these did not sell.
Yes. No problem. So I just ran into the owner of this, John, and I'm going to shoot it probably next week. He's got a 66, I believe it was, that I shot GTO. I shot that last year, and I just ran into him, and he said he has this one here, but he said let's shoot it Friday night where we have a little bit more maneuverability. But what a beautiful car. He does such a great job. So this is most likely a total restoration, and he's meticulous. So quite a variety of vehicles back here. I came back earlier and it was just a smattering of vehicles, but now you can see it's really filled in. So the Pontiac Club, I've shot two Pontiacs so far today, and both guys were telling me that the Pontiac Club is here. So that's why you see so many Pontiacs. And then you see this with the ram horn. Good looking 32. Roadster, actually it's a Cabriolet. So I've mentioned this in another video. This is a Cabriolet because it doesn't have windows. They had side skirts, and then the Roadster had roll-down windows. So that's the difference between a Cabriolet and a Roadster. Wow. That's something you don't see on a Chevrolet. They were not very, they were just kind of a workman's car. But that hood ornament, that's probably a upgraded item that you could get, but you don't see them very often. Past this guy on the way here, and there's another set of ram horns. Wow, that is clean. So maybe a month ago I shot a 66 all original 2-owner car. If you haven't seen that, it's really an amazing car. And a great story behind it. Saw the Impala come in. Flathead 6. I had a friend that had a Ford F1 like this, and he's like, oh yeah, it's got a flathead. The whole time he's talking about it, I was thinking it was a V8 flathead, and he raised the hood, and it was a flathead 6 like this. Chrysler and Dodge, Plymouth. Chrysler and Dodge and Plymouth had flathead 6 that were just like bulletproof, ran forever. Looks like a 61 Impala here. Well, let's stop and look at that bubble top. Oh, it's a 4-door, flat top. Check that air cleaner out. So this is a 1-year only body, 61. And that's the glove box in the center. They didn't have a glove box on the passenger side, just the one on the center. And that looks like it's about it. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again.